is Anastasia Soare and I'm the creator of Anastasia Beverly Hills. Welcome to my store in Beverly Hills. I would love to give you a tour because I'm so excited. Our products will be on Feelunique. So let's talk about eyebrows. So we have the biggest variety of colors and products on eyebrow, of course, because the Anastasia name is synonymous with eyebrows. I reinvented eyebrows, I guess. So one of the most popular products that we have is Brow Wiz. And why it's so popular? Because it's an easy way of filling in your eyebrow. You could mimic hair strokes very easily. Every product that we have has a brush at the end, and the brush is designed specifically for the texture of the pencil. This is to blend, because what I believe is you always you fill in and you blend for a more natural look. And with everything in our products, I will suggest you should use build up. Always use little and be light-handed, and you blend well, and you could add more. Always is better than be heavy-handed. So this is the Brow Wiz, and why you will love it so much is not only because the color is perfect, but the texture is not too soft and is not too dry. And the color is very important because it needs to match your hair in the eyebrows, and your skin tone. So the reason why our eyebrow products are the most popular is because you will always see that the color is perfect for you if you choose the right one. We have pencil, we have another pencil for eyebrow. It's called Brow Definer. That is beautiful because it's very thick. You could use it in many ways. A thick line to fill in completely the eyebrows, or you could use one part of the pencil to design strokes of hair, or another one that has a little bit thicker. So you have three ways of using this product, and of course you have the brush to blend the look. The way I like to recommend to fill in eyebrow is just use first a lighter color as a base. You could use this as a base and use strokes of hair with the Brow Wiz, one shade darker to create strokes of hair. Or of course you could use the deep brow that I'm sure you use it with the brush number 12 ideally, and you take very little mixed on the cap and you create strokes of hair. Very easy. This is one of the best because it allowed you for a few seconds to brush and to blend, to fill in, and then you brush, and then after a few minutes, 2 minutes, dries and stays on all day long. It's waterproof, as you know. And the brushes are perfect. I encourage you to use the deep brow only with our brushes because everything is designed for our products. Look how thin this brush is. When you draw strokes of hair, you need to have that. If the brush fans out, you will not be able to create that perfect eyebrow or perfect brow strokes. For professional, we have the Brow Pro palette, which is amazing. If you are a makeup artist, this is the best for you because you could mix and match, and you could use everything for the lightest skin tone clients to the darkest. And you have here one pan with the wax. Sometimes if the skin is too dry, you use first the wax and then you use the powder that will adhere to the skin. So this is a great product for a professional person. Then you have as well clear brow gel. We have the best clear brow gel because it's a conditioner, holds the hair, and it doesn't flake. But once you use it, it's going to sit there. So sets the color as well. If you have too dark hair or too light hair, we have Tinted Brow Gel. It's amazing because you could use it, blend it, and will lighten a little bit your eyebrow if your eyebrow is too dark, or if your eyebrow is too light, you could use one that is darker and will make your eyebrow pop. Yes. Of course, we have the best tweezers. It's calibrated, made in Italy by hand. It's very important for me to have that perfect tweezer, and scissors as well. We have the duo highlighter. It's one part is shimmer and one part is matte. You define the all over the eyebrow bone, brow bone, and highlight the brow bone, and you define the eyebrow very well with this. The matte is a powder formula, so it blends beautifully and kind of brings that beautiful definition to the eyebrows. We have as well three pencils, that pro pencil that are matte. You could use to outline the lips if you want, or around the eyebrow to highlight or define the eyebrows. Well, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my tour. Big kiss from Beverly Hills, and visit us at Feelunique. Bye guys.